Yo, non-native engineers, stop saying maybe at work. Quietly killing your credibility. Every time you say maybe, your team hears uncertainty. They stop trusting your answers. Maybe I can fix it by Friday. Maybe that is an issue. That right there is doubt. It's not confidence. Doubt does not get you promoted. Here's how you fix it. Replace maybe with a specific answer, even if you're not 100% sure. Follow Fluent Stack right now. I post videos like this every week. Instead of maybe I can fix it by Friday, say I will confirm it by the end of the day. Instead of saying maybe that is an issue, say that is my best assessment right now. It's the same wording, it's just different energy. Follow me if you're looking for a promotion.